much in Branson you can't buy for a buck. But there's only one place to go when you're down on your luck. In the middle of the neon strip, shows of many names, there's a little old rundown joint called Motel Jessie James. Back in the 60s, the neon sign was bright. Not a wilder place to be on a booming Saturday night. Now the rides are old and rusted, buildings are falling down, but there still ain't a wilder place in that big old neon town. Down in Motel Jessie James, no one knows where you're from, and no one knows your name. When the neon lights bear down on you, you can't hide your pain. Find yourself Motel Jessie James. Jessie James. One night when it was cloudy, my eyes were full of pain. I stepped out of that motel room, walked out in the rain, found an old log cabin, built in 1876, that old sign read. Found a dusty old journal just kinda tossed beneath the bed. Well, I opened it in haste and I read the words within. The contents were handwritten and read, where should I begin? My killing spree is over, too many have died in vain. Tomorrow I'll be history. It was signed Jessie James. Down in Motel Jessie James, no one knows where you're from, and no one knows your name. When the neon lights bear down on you, and you can't find your fame, find yourself Motel Jessie James. Jessie James. Jessie James. Jessie James. Now the motel's gone, War Museum in its place, and Branson's changed again. Nothing ever stays the same. All the big stars gone, not what it used to be. Folks will never know how it was in '93. But if you leave the strip and walk into the grass, if you hunt around a bit on the hill out in the back, you can still